Who said? Gassi what? Dr. Gassi. Why? But I'm hungry. But I'm hungry. No food, no food, no food. Puro na lang no food allowed. But I'm hungry. I'm sick? What I will do? Aray ko. I have fever? So what I will do, Dr. Gassi? For my eyes?
Yeah.
You said I have fever.
Just have gamot.
Gamot.
Make you better.
I'll be better.
Yeah.
Wow.
Now you can
Ketchup?
No, I said the gossip gamot. I ketchup.
You ketchup?
No.
Check up, not ketchup. Check up.
Shut up.
Very good. Oh, you will.
Shut up.
Oh, very good.
You Dr. Gassi. You said ketchup.
Oh, what I will do now, doctor? Gamot? Hmm. Alright.
Medicine is that?
Check the bean.
Ano? You check my what? Breed. Ano ba? Breed. You check my breed. Okay.
Happy again.
I have fever again. Oh, you go gamot. Anong shot? Injection.
Bandage.
Bandage. So you will be a doctor? So you will treat daddy when you get old? So you will be my doctor? Okay. Now we have doctor in the family. Fever again? What kind of doctor are you? What is your name? What? Wala na.